Welcome to the Apache Hive interview question answer series. In this lesson, we will discuss a performance enhancing feature in Hive called bucketing and understand how it helps improving the execution time of queries, especially when working with large data sets. In Hive bucketing is a technique that splits data into more manageable parts called bucket based on the hash of a column values. This allows Hive to process only a portion of the data, significantly speeding up the query execution. When you define a table, you specify the clustered by column and the number of buckets. Hive then uses a hash function on the column value and distributes the row across the bucket. Example, select table sales, customer ID int, order amount double, clustered by customer ID into four buckets stored as ORC. In this example, data is bucketed into four files based on the hash of column. So, why use bucketing? Here are the main benefits. Faster joins. When two tables are bucketed on the same column and the number of buckets, Hive can perform bucketed map joins, skipping the shuffle stages. Faster sampling. You can quickly query a subset of the data. Parallel processing. Queries can be executed in parallel using multiple mappers, each one on a separate bucket. You have a two large bucket tables on customer ID, sales and customer. So select CNAME, comma S order amount from customer C, join sales S on C dot customer ID equal to S dot customer ID. If the both tables are bucketed by customer ID into the same number of bucket, Hive skips the shuffle phase and does a bucket map join. This reduces IO and processing time significantly. When using bucketing, keep the number of bucket consistent for join keys. Use the same column and the number of buckets for both tables. Combine bucketing with ORC and or Parquet for maximum performance. To sum up, bucketing is essential optimization tool in Hive that boosts performance by enabling significant joins and sampling. It's especially powerful when dealing with large data set and repetitive queries.